When you eat an egg, the journey of nutrition begins inside your body. As the egg reaches the stomach, digestive acids break it down into proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients then move into the intestines, where proteins, amino acids, and healthy fats are absorbed into the bloodstream. From there, egg nutrients spread throughout the body, supporting organs, muscles, and cells with energy and repair. Eggs help improve brain function by supporting neuron activity and enhancing focus and memory. They nourish muscles with high-quality protein, helping muscle repair, strength, and growth. Eggs also support gut health by providing nutrients that aid digestion and intestinal balance. As energy spreads through the body, eggs help maintain stamina, strength, and overall vitality. However, for some people, eggs may irritate the stomach, causing acidity or digestive discomfort. In allergic individuals, eggs can trigger skin reactions, redness, itching, or immune responses. Excessive egg consumption may raise cholesterol levels, which can affect heart and blood circulation over time.